everyone, and welcome to my latest product review. This is the Mactrem LED ring light kit. It's a 6-inch selfie ring light with an extra arm to hold either your mobile phone or your webcam. So it's from this company. This is the box that it comes in. So it's quite compactable. It's very easy to build. And you know, if you wanted to go on location, you could just pack it back up in the box and take it with you. So it comes with the 6-inch light. It also comes with the bracket to hold your mobile phone. It also comes with a remote control shutter, so you can set up your stand and light further away from you and actually record remotely. So you can just press the button. It works on Bluetooth, so you'd connect it to your phone, and then when you want to record, you can just press go for either taking photos or for recording video. So the handy set comes in different parts. So I'm just going to loosen this so you can see this comes off. So this is the light. It is actually, I'm going to show you how it works. It's a USB, so you can plug it into your computer or you can plug it into a plug with a USB converter. It also has 3 modes, and it's got this really cool user-friendly control panel. So you can turn it on. You have the 3 modes, and one of them is like daylight, one's like LED light, and one is like a warm light. And you can actually tint it up and down, so it can make it stronger or less. Like I said, it comes with this handy adapter, so you can hold your phone upright in the portrait position, or you can turn it around and you can then make it horizontal. So obviously your phone would go in there, or you can hold it like that. Now the actual tripod itself, this bit comes off as well, that tightens up. The actual tripod itself folds completely down, so obviously that bit comes here. You can unscrew the top, so for portability it's really handy. So let's just unscrew that. Then you can bring this bit down, so it comes all compact, so then that goes back into the box. This bit fits into the box, the light fits into the box, and the clamp fits into the box. So I'm going to show you how to build this up and show you how to use it. So first thing you want to do is open up the clamps like so, and then bring it up to the highest point so that it doesn't wobble, and then tighten it up, because obviously that's quite good. Then this section here is just a screw top, so you just screw this in as well. Now obviously that's got the special clamp, so you could actually pop this into a holder that you may already have. So if you've got a tripod already and you want it to stand up on the side, you could actually just screw that in. You don't have to use this one, but it's really good for tabletop recording like I'm doing at the moment. So once you're happy with the height of that, you just pop it down onto the table. So it's quite stable. It's got some really nice cool little legs. Now you have these groovy little adapters, so you get 2 of these inside the packaging. And what it is it gives you the ability to hold your phone or the clamp, and then you can wiggle that around. So you want to set that up top at the moment. So if you're doing photography with this, you could actually make your camera go to an angle if you wanted to. And then at the bottom, it has this little square clamp. So there's like a little square clamp there. And that can go into the clamp like that. And then you tighten it up so it's nice and stable, so it doesn't move. And then you do exactly the same. So let me just loosen this, like so. And then you pop this clamp, so depending on which way you want it. So if you want it to hold so you can have your phone horizontal, which is really cool for YouTube or Facebook. If you want to record in a portrait position, then you can have it like this, and that's really good for Instagram stories, Facebook stories, IGTV, any of those formats that want portrait. You could also record portrait for Facebook feed, but it's usually quite nice to have it horizontal. Then you can multi-purpose it. You can also use it to record for LinkedIn as well. So there you go, that's sort of screwed on there, like so. And then what we do is we attach the light. So the light's got the same clamp, and I've screwed that clamp in at the top here, and we just pop this in here like so. And that's got like a little barrier at the back to stop it from flipping back this side. So you once it's in, it should be solid, like so. So that's how the selfie light works. Now I'm going to show you. You just plug it into your USB USB port. So if you've got a USB port on your laptop, you can plug it directly into a laptop. If you've got a plug socket with a USB port in, you can plug it into there as well. So I'm just going to pop this into my USB on my laptop. Okay, so this is going to be a bit bright for you guys, but I just want to show you the settings. So once you've plugged it in, you get a little blue light. So when you turn it on, this is the warm light. So as you can see, it's quite bright. So I can turn it down so that you can see it a bit better. So then I can turn it down. So when I turn it round to my face, you see how it makes my face quite like a warmish, like a suntanned tint. Then it has a different mode. This is more like the UV. So this is probably quite good if you're using it for makeup tutorials or any skincare tutorials or any sort of facial tutorials. And then it has another mode which is a bit between, it's a bit like daylight light. It's got a bit of a warm and the UV light mixed together, and that gives quite a nice glow. And obviously you can turn it up depending on how bright you want it. So it's really good to focus on the face. So when I'm doing recordings, I can have it here and I can be talking into my camera or my webcam, and then I can have the ring light there, and I can adjust the light depending on what sort of effect I want. So that's how you do the light. And then obviously you can have your camera. So I'm going to put my camera in here, and it has this pull out bit that's stretchy. So you can fit your camera in like so, and you just stretch it into position. And then you have both your light, and then you have your phone ready for you to record. If you want to change it around, you can actually swivel it to the horizontal as well. So depending on how you want or what format you want your video recording to be in will depend on the position for your phone. And also you can actually fix your webcam onto this as well, because it screws in at the bottom here. So it's just as easy to use a webcam as it is to use a mobile phone. But I just wanted to come on and tell you all about this. So I'm just going to come up here. Now I'm not being I'm not paid by them to do this or promoted by them to do this, but I just wanted to share this great product with you. So I'm going to be doing some more reviews on the products that I use in my business. So as a Instagram and Facebook strategist, I help a lot of entrepreneurs to kickstart their visibility, and I like to do that with the least amount of cost for them. So this actually, at the moment, this whole set is only $27.99 on Amazon, and that's how Mactrem are selling it. And obviously, you know, it's so good. You've got your remote control that you connect to your phone. You've got these 3 lights, so you've got 3 different feels of your face. So you can see just by me clicking through the modes how different the lighting on my face is. So I'll turn it right up, and there you go. So that's a different lighting, that's a different lighting, and that's a different lighting. So depending on the effect that you want, the lighting is really good. So my name is Anita Wong, and if you would like to find out more about the equipment that I use in my day-to-day business, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Anita Wong, or find me on Facebook under Anita Wong Online, and like my page there too. Any questions about this little setup, then please do shout in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer any of your comments or questions that you might have. Thanks then, bye.